Do not eat the passion fruit body scrub. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Have I seen all the spoilers? Yes, I have. It's so freaking good. I hope you guys are doing well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. I am so excited for today's video. Of course, we have another Lush kitchen box unboxing. This month is a little bit different because I won't lie to you guys. I'm going to be honest. I'm going to be real. Have I seen all the spoilers? Yes, I have. Have I watched multiple videos of people unboxing this box? Yes, I have. So I know exactly what's in here, but I haven't really looked at ingredients too much. I haven't really been paying attention to all the scents and things like that. I've just kind of seen things like what's inside. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, I am still very much excited to dive into this month's box. I believe it's a very fruity, pineapple-y, kind of like tropical kind of vibe, which I absolutely love. No grass scents whatsoever, which we are so happy about. So let's dive into this month's box. I'm so excited. Honestly, I have it here. I haven't opened it. She arrived last night a little bit later and I just thought, you know what, let's just wait until tomorrow and film it. So I have been holding off, but when I tell you she smells incredible, see, I can't get my words out. She smells incredible. So let's dive in and unbox this beauty and see what's inside. I hope you guys enjoy this video as always and carry on watching. Okay, so let's see if I can open the tab in one swift. It's going to be a good day. It's going to be a good day, I can tell. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. I am so... little sneak peek. I am so excited. Like, this is screaming tropical, beachy, holiday, fruity kind of vibe. Like, I am here for it. I absolutely love the look of this box, and I've said it before and I will say it again. I am in love with the new packaging. I love kind of having the box inside the box. I think firstly they use so many less packing peanuts, but also this just looks so much more luxurious, so much more well thought out, put together, and like worth the money to me. I don't know what it is about it. I'm obsessed with it. So this is this month's box. Let's dive in. I cannot wait to see what's inside. Okay, diving in as always, let's go for all the potted stuff first, and I'm actually going to pick out the item which I am the most excited to smell. Like, I need to smell this instantly. So the first thing we have is the passion fruit body scrub, and on the pot this one says, "We're keeping the passion alive. Our juicy fruity scent is back, this time in a scrubby caster sugar and creamy cocoa butter base to leave you soft, sweet and smelling like a tropical treat." Now, I am a personal... What? I am personally a absolutely massive fan of the sugar scrubs. I much prefer them to the salt scrubs. I don't know what it is. I love the texture. I love the feel of it. I just love everything about it. I love them a lot more. Anyway, this one in terms of ingredients has things like caster sugar, cocoa butter, almond oil, coconut oil, buchu oil, sweet wild orange oil, and I think that's pretty much it. Let's give it a smell. I'm so excited. Honestly, if this smells like the passion body spray and the bath bomb, I think I will die. It's so freaking good. I want to eat it. Should I? No. Kind of want to try it again though. Is that bad? No, don't eat it. That's your sign. Do not eat the passion fruit body scrub. It's making me salivate. Like, it smells that good. It's fruity, it's tropical. It basically smells like the most beautiful tropical like cocktail. Like, it's such a really lovely mix of fruity scents. It smells incredible, and look at the swirl. So beautiful. I honestly could happily just scoop that with a spoon and eat it. Oh, so delish. Okay, so the first item is an absolute 10 out of 10 for me. I love this. I will devour this, and I feel like I'm just so excited to use it. So that is item number one, which I absolutely love. Okay, next up, let's dive into item number two. For this one, we have the Big Calm Body Conditioner, and this one says, "Ride the waves of coconut and pineapple aromas as this conditioning cocoa butter cocktail softens and scents your skin." And ingredients-wise in this one, we have got jojoba oil, cocoa butter, we've also got orange oil and vetiver oil and shea butter. So let's give this one a try. Ooh. Shut up. Oh my gosh, that's so good. That's insane. Wow, I'm obsessed. That's so nice. It's a really weird kind of smell to describe though, because if you take like a generic creamy smell, like not a fresh cream, but like a body cream smell, and mix that with like, it just smells fresh. I can't describe it. It just smells like a yogurt almost, like a very light, subtle citrusy yogurt. I don't know how to describe it. That smells heavenly. I'm going to put a little bit on my hand and just see if it makes the scent change, but obviously you are supposed to use these in the bath, in the shower, and then wash them off afterwards. Wow, okay, the scent definitely comes out a bit more on the skin. On the skin, it is giving more that kind of cocoa butter smell. That's really good. And again, as I said, you definitely wash this off in the shower or the bath because it is very oily, but I mean, who's to say you couldn't put this on your legs before bed, you know? Oh, that is so delicious. Oh my goodness. Overall, really, really excited to give this one a try as well. The scent is very subtle and very light, but I think it kind of allows you to mix with maybe perfumes or like other body lotions and stuff. So yeah, I really like that one. The next item, I'm going to be real with you guys, is probably the item I am the least excited about. Now, I never really tend to say that about boxes. Like, I'm always so excited to see everything, but I saw this one in a few photos and I was a little bit, I won't say disappointed. It's probably the item which I'm just the least excited about. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, that is the bamboo soap. So this is what it looks like. Now, the colour is obviously a very beautiful, vivid green colour. The actual soap itself is insanely creamy, like it is melting in my fingers. In terms of ingredients, this one has got rapeseed oil, coconut oil, it also has cedarwood oil, cassie absolute, we've also got vetiver oil, mimosa absolute, and I think that's basically it. Scent wise, this isn't really a scent for me, I don't think. Having a look over the ingredients, it could be the gardenia extract I don't like, but this scent isn't really one for me. It's like floral, but almost a little bit sickly. Like, it's got something about this that I don't like. It kind of smells, I'll tell you what it kind of smells like, which is weird. It kind of smells like a fake watermelon smell, or like a melon smell, but I love watermelon, but in like a weird way, if that makes sense. It's like watery, like it smells watery. Does that make any sense? I don't know. This one isn't really my favourite. I definitely will use it and kind of get the use out of it. I'll keep it in the bathroom and just like use it up, but it's not something I would purchase myself, if I'm being honest. The next item is one which I am very excited about and I have heard very mixed reviews about, so I'm a little bit scared, but that is of course the Super Milk Shower Gel. I am really excited about this one. If you guys don't know, I absolutely love Super Milk. Like, I use it pretty much 5 or 6 times a week in my hair. I absolutely love it. Not only do I scrunch it for the sort of scent, but I also love to use it to kind of do a slick back. That's what I kind of use to kind of get all my little flyaway hairs away. Anyway, I'm rambling on about slick back. That is not why you're here. So the shower gel, as I said, Super Milk. It says on the front, got Super Milk for your hair? Of course you do. Now you can lather up with our iconic fragrance as a trio of plant-based milks lock in the moisture for soft, sweetly scented skin. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got almond milk, coconut milk, oat milk, we've also got sea salt, we have got linseed cubea oil, tonka absolute, vanilla absolute, and fresh lemon juice. Let's give it a smell. If it doesn't smell as delicious as it sounds, I'm going to cry. I was having a little look. I feel like is there glitter? I think there is a little bit of a gold glitter in that. Shut the front door. Wow. Oh, it's quite liquidy though. I am dribbling. That smells exactly the same as the hair conditioner. I don't know why I thought it would smell different. Sometimes I find that specific Lush shower gels that are made to smell the same as a product, like they don't smell exactly the same. This smells exactly the same. I'm very, very excited about this one. The only thing I will say with this one is it is incredibly liquidy, very milky. I don't know if you guys can sort of see if I hold it up. Can you guys see? Probably not, like up here, how liquidy that is. I'm going to be editing this and thinking like, Melody, you cannot see a thing, but hopefully you guys can see like it is very liquidy. But I don't mind a liquidy shower gel. I'll always use it on a loofah anyway to get kind of lathers and stuff, so it doesn't really bother me. But that is the shower gel. Very, 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 very excited to try that one, so I cannot wait. And last but definitely not least is another item which I am so insanely excited about, because if you guys don't know, I'm a bit of a perfume fiend. I love a perfume, like don't get me wrong, I definitely have my staples, like my Lush staples, my non-Lush staples, but I love trying new fragrances. I just absolutely love it. And when I saw there was going to be this teeny weeny little black box in the kitchen box, I got so excited, because this can only mean one of two things, either a perfume or a body No, a pillow spray, something like that, like a room spray. But I knew this was a perfume because I have seen a few videos already. And this one is the Pineapple Grunt perfume. I actually cannot wait to give this one a smell. I have heard very mixed reviews about this one though, I won't lie to you. Like, some people have said it's very earthy, some people have said it's very strong. I cannot wait to give it a try. So in terms of ingredients, we have got vetiver oil, Styrex resinoid, and the rest is like scents and stuff. Obviously they're not going to tell you all the fragrances. So shut up. Stop. That smells like sun cream. Put it on my skin immediately. Only one spray though. Gonna have to savour it. Shut up. Shut up. That smells like sun cream. That's so good. It's like a coconutty sun cream smell. That's so nice. I can see why people wouldn't like it. Like, it's not a scent that I think everybody would enjoy. Like, I don't think it's a bit of Ryan. I don't think my friend Zoe would like it. My mum might like it. But yeah, it's definitely not like an everybody smell, you know? But that is good. This is a definite like holiday summery scent. Like, it's not a winter smell. It's definitely like a sun creamy, you're at the beach kind of vibe. That is so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so pleased that I like the smell of this because I was so scared I wasn't going to like it, but that's so good. So that is everything for this month's kitchen box unboxing. I really hope you guys did enjoy, and I would love to know down below as always, what did you think of this box? Did you love it? Did you hate it? Did you like some of the items? I would love to know. Also, if you guys aren't aware, there are 3 Lush kitchen box options now, which is so exciting. So you have the bath box, which is like the OG kind of mix box. You have the shower only box, which is the box I go for now, and then you have the XL box, which low-key so tempted to get, but it's basically everything. Like, you get one of everything. I think it's 7 items, so I do get tempted. I do get so tempted with it. It looks so good. And August's box, as you're watching this, you have until the 30th of June to sign up for it, but let me tell you, we saw a sneak peek of this box when we went to the Superfan event, and oh, I am so excited for it. You guys are going to die. You guys are going to die. It is so good. So if you guys have ever kind of sat down and and ahed about the box, this is your time to shine. This is your sign. Honestly, it's so good. It's so good. Also, if you guys didn't know, I do have a Lush affiliate link, which is always linked down below. If you would ever like to use it, I would absolutely love you forever. But obviously you don't have to. It is just down below. And as always, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love to have you join my corner of the internet. We have such a good, fun, amazing time, and I would really appreciate it to help me get to 13,000 of you by the end of 2025. So if you guys haven't subscribed, please do. I love you guys so endlessly much, and I appreciate you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.